Hi, my name is Bob Mayhew and I'm an 18-year veteran with GTAC. In this video I'm going to describe how to create a basic FlexView and retrieve information from a device with that. The FlexView, if it contained MIB objects that were writable, we could also use that to set the information as well. In this case I have two devices modeled. One's a PC, and I'd be interested to find out what type of storage is on that and how much is being used. I'll create a FlexView for that. I'll change the interface summary tab. Basically any tab after the ACL manager is a FlexView tab. I'll click the FlexView button and then New. I'll hide the instance column because most of the time I do not need that information in my FlexViews. I'll change to the Columns tab, and notice that this view looks like a MIB tree structure where you can actually browse to the specific MIB object that you're looking for. If you don't know what the MIB object is, you can actually look at the release notes for a device and see if there's MIBs listed for that, and then look at those MIBs and find out what MIB objects might provide the information that you're looking for. In this case I know it's the host resource table, so I'll drill right to that location. Then I'll click the leaves that I'm interested in, and basically I want from here down to the bottom leaf in that branch. I'll click New, and notice that the next leaf is highlighted for me, so I'll just continue clicking New. Once I have all the leaves, I'll close that. It'll ask me to save it. I'll call it Storage. Information. And then I'll save it. And then I'll select my PC and retrieve the information. This is good information, but I want to find out the percentage used for each storage device. So I'll go back into my FlexView. I'll click the FlexView button and then select Properties. I'll change to the Column tab, change to Expression, and I'll call this column %usage. And then I can actually use the information from the available columns to create an expression that will be calculated to give me the percentage. In this case I'm using the host storage size and the host storage used. The first line is taking into account any divided by zeros. We don't want to do that. That will cause an error. Next line I'm formatting the value for the division within here so that there's only 2 decimal points for that. Column functions, variables, constants can all be selected from this lower portion of the screen, and it kind of gives you an example of what needs to be done to format that information. Also for columns you can change the string, integer, floating, boolean, port list. Good information to know because you can actually do some functions on, say, string variables. Once the information is complete, click check. You'll notice that it's passed. Click New, and my new column is now ready for use. I'll OK out of that, and then I'll retrieve the information again, and the information is now visible. Thanks for watching, and please call one of our GTAC 800 numbers for assistance with this or any other NetSite console issues. Feel free to ask for me. If I'm available, I'll be more than happy to assist. More information is available at our website, Enterasys.com/support.